Hi, this is Martin Gillet reporting live from SAP Inside Track in Brussels. We are Friday the 10th, 2010, and it's my pleasure to welcome George Ataya, IT governance guru that we have the pleasure to welcome here at SAP Inside Track Brussels. So George, you joined us today. That was a very great presentation. What are the key topics that you wanted to introduce the SAP practitioner regarding IT governance?
Yeah, Martin, thank you. We had a very interesting discussion today, actually. We had a discussion with your participants in relation to IT governance, and we have been talking about the different concepts of IT governance. I had a chance to present to them the 5 focus areas, as we call them. Actually, I'm inspired from the ISACA, ISACA.org. I invite you all to go to ISACA.org. It is based on the concepts that IT governance is an important aspect that is required not only for IT people but also for senior management. They need to ensure how they are governing the enterprise IT. We talk about alignment, we talk about value governance, we talk about risk management, we talk about resources management, and we talk about performance measurement. Those 5 practices, or management practices as I call them, are required to ensure that IT is well under control, doing what we need, and that resources are well used in order to allow us to reach our objectives, our business objectives.
What are for you, I mean, in your humble opinion, the key challenging times that we have with the SAP project or IT project in general?
Yeah, actually, some of the questions that we ask is basic questions that is as well applied for any of the projects or the whole operation. Are we doing the right things? Are we doing them the right way? Are we doing them well, and are we getting any benefits? Are we delivering them and are we getting benefits? Those questions are probably simple questions. However, it is essential for us to understand that we have the correct strategy, that we have the right architecture, that we have the good delivery, good project management, and that at the end of the day, we are not spending so much time on the technology, but ensuring that once the system is available, that we are putting everything in place to ensure that it is put in production, put in operation, changing the business process as it is necessary in order to get all those benefits that are required, that were taught initially once the systems was commissioned.
Okay, and last question. Is there anything, according to you, that we should challenge SAP with regarding IT governance? You mentioned GRC, the Global Risk and Compliance. Is there anything like pitfalls or a major issue that you would raise at this time?
Absolutely. I think there are major issues related to IT that should be put in place. And luckily, with tools like SAP, such as SAP, we have so many means to put in place not only system functionalities to better respond to users, but also management tools in order to give management the correct data. We cannot manage what we cannot measure. So we have to measure IT, which means that we have to put in place that dashboard, those performance measurement requirements that are necessary for us to know that things are going the right direction. So we have to put in place the required tools, the required dashboards, and I'm sure that SAP brings so much, and there are so many tools that can be used. I'm obviously making reference to IT GRC, SAP GRC, but I'm also making reference to the different reporting tools, all the ways that we can use in order to give management much more information to make them better managed and to give them much information they are aware of and they are using. And probably not too much, the minimum information they require and they can use every day to be able to take a right decision.
All right. Thank you, George, for taking the time being with us, and we look forward to engage with you online via Twitter or the blogging area.
Yeah, with pleasure.
Thank you very much.
Thank you.
Have a good day.